What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video of ours. So, in today's topic is how to record screen on laptop. So, we all know some ways of taking screenshots on laptop, but some of us don't know how you can just screen record on your laptop. So, there are some applications you can use for this purpose. So, let me show you the applications. The one I use is Camtasia. That is, as you can see, Camtasia 2024. This version, it comes handy with Camtasia Recorder. So this is my recorder. You can't see it in here. I go to my start section and search it in here, Camtasia. And as you can see, it is Camtasia Recorder. So if I just open it, it will allow me to record my screen with my front camera too, and with my PC's volume or PC sound and my microphone sound. So these four things will be it can just um, accumulate. So there's some more other applications that you can use. That is OBX Studios or OBS Studios. So I'm going to OBS Studio. So this one, Open Broadcaster software. So you can download it in here. Go to this download section. And here you can download any version of it. If you are a Windows user, go for this one. If you are a Mac user, go for this one. And for Linux, use this one. And once you click on your Windows, you will get the version of this that is released in March 7th. And then just click on download installer and it will be downloaded. You can also get a download zip file from here. You can also view it on GitHub too. So yeah, these are the applications you can use to screen record on your laptop. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.